Hello students, hope you all are well and doing study. Today I am going to explain the story The Little Girl written by Catherine Mansfield. This present story is about a little girl. On her name only, the narrator or the author has given the name of the story. This girl lived with her father, mother, and grandmother. She was much afraid of her father. Somehow there was a distance between her and her father. The father of the girl was very strict, and due to this strictness, the girl was somehow much afraid. And she was not having a friendly relation with her father as well as the mother. She used to share her thoughts with her grandmother. Though the grandmother tried to make a bonding or a friendly relation between this girl and her father, but somehow every time the girl, when she was also trying, used to be failed in that trying. Now, one day, it was a situation when the girl's father's birthday was coming. So, grandmother suggested her to make a pin cushion as the birthday gift or birthday present. So, Kezia had started. Now, Kezia, the little girl, she had started to make the pin cushion. She has stitched 3 sides of the cushion. After that, she needed something to just put inside the cushion as we need it. She tried to find out things or materials, but she didn't get. She reached or she searched in bedroom of her mother, and there in the table she got some papers. Now the girl was not aware that the paper was important or not. So what she did, she just tore the paper into small pieces and put it inside the cushion that she was making for her father to gift him on his birthday. Now these papers were very much important. The papers contained the speech that Kezia's father wanted to deliver, or he was going to deliver next day for the port authority. When her father got to know about Kezia's this fault or his mistake, the blunder, he got very angry. The girl had tried a lot to make her father understand that she didn't do it purposefully. Obviously, because she was not knowing the importance of those papers. That's why she had torn it. But somehow the father wanted to give Kezia punishment. And as punishment, what he did? He just beat on her palm with scale. Kezia was hurt. She was crying, and somehow in her mind she thought, what did God, or why did God made father for? Why did God made father? क्या जरूरत है? Because somehow there was a belief in her mind that fathers are always this kind of person who are very strict, who just punishes their children, etc., etc. Kezia was upset. Now there was a person named Mr. MacDonald who was neighbor of Kezia's house. Kezia saw MacDonald to play with his children. That time there was a thought in Kezia's mind that okay, there are different kinds of father too. Because she had seen her father as strict one who is very angry, who hardly smiled or hardly talked with Kezia and playing, that is out of her dream. She couldn't dream that her father would play with her. But now, after observing or after watching Mr. MacDonald playing with his children, Kezia thought that no, there are some fathers also who are somehow different from the characteristics of her father or this type of strict or angry father. There are also some fathers who are not that much angry, who are not that much strict, who play with their children, who smile or laugh with their children, that's all, or who enjoy with their children. Kezia thought her father is totally different from Mr. MacDonald. Now, there was a situation or a time when Kezia's mother had to go to the city for her health checkup to the hospital. At that time, Kezia's grandmother also accompanied her. She went with Kezia's mother. Kezia was alone with her father at home, and there were also some servants. At night, when Kezia was sleeping alone, she got a nightmare, Daravna Sapnaya, and she just woke up. That time her father came there and took her to his bed or to his bedroom. And after some time, Kezia saw that her father was also sleeping like a baby, crumbling his body. That time she thought, oh poor father, though his size is big or bigger than Kezia, she is also looked like a very small child. And Kezia realized that her father is not that much angry or that much strict. Her father is also can be, or her father can be also innocent or looked like baby. Now, the theme of this present story, that the difference of thinking between the parents and the child. Kezia, who didn't get the scope to interact much with her parents, assumed a wrong notion or wrong conception about her father especially. And the message that sometimes we, the younger one or the children, somehow misunderstood our parents. And sometimes our parents also cannot understand us. But above all, there is love, there is affection between parent and their children, and that shows on any time. Kezia's father also loved her, but somehow the way of expression was different, or he was not that much expressive to show his love for Kezia. And we learn from here that we should not misunderstand our parents though they are strict, because the strictness that they show towards us is for our own betterment. Thank you.